Hello everyone, this is Samsung Galaxy A70. The charging block is broken somehow, so it's not taking any charge. So we're going to replace the charging block. So there are two ways just to change the actual Type-C connector or changing the whole unit like that. Okay, so we're going to go for that one. This is much more easier and it's cheap anyway. So first thing first, turn off your phone first if there is any charge. Take out the SIM tray before you forget. And second one is take out this actual backplate and the mid frame and then get access to the battery. Okay, so for this reason we need to apply some heat, but it seems this screen already been replaced before, so I don't think so that's going to be too hard. But if this is first time for your one, make sure you apply heat to soften the glue underneath. Alright, so I'm going to use this one instead of my fingertips. Yeah, that's really good. Alright, so that's the actual back plate. Now we need to remove all the screws that we can see. I'm going to start from the top. Alright, now we're going to take a flat opening tool and try to take this out. That would not be too difficult once you've taken out the screw. As you can see, this one came out already. First thing, disconnect the battery in case if there is any charge or anything. Second one is the actual secondary cable, gently, and the LCD flex, and this sensor. Finally, the actual connector for the antenna, and take this out. So that's the broken one. If that is first time for you, it's going to be a little bit difficult because the E is kind of adhesive underneath, but this one doesn't have any, which is fine. So that's the actual replacement. Peel this off because they added kind of glue in there, I mean adhesive, and we're going to put it back like this. Check the screw holes, has to be matched. Connect it, make sure gently you connect it, otherwise you're going to damage the actual connector. And finally the antenna cable, which is also connected, and the battery, the last one. So now we're going to put it back, this one, the mid frame. Make sure everything into the place. I'm going to start from the bottom. A couple of screws. I just want to double check. So as you can see, this is charging. I'm testing it because those sort of things are very fragile and very sensitive, does break a lot. I found many cases like that, so make sure you do double check and very careful, be gentle when you disconnect those connectors. All right, so it seems it's charging. Now we're going to close it back. The handset is not straight, I think. it's charging. So that's how you replace the charging block for Samsung Galaxy A50, A51, A52, A70, almost A20e, most of the models. So thank you for watching, guys. Still, if you do have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section and I will try my best to reply. Thank you.